Welcome back to PSL Living. I'm Sarah Prohaska, Public Information Officer for the City of Port St. Lucie. Forever Smiles is the St. Lucie County Health Department's pediatric dentistry program. Joining us today is Heather Parker of the Health Department to tell us a little bit about this important program. Hi, Heather. Thanks for coming on.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you so much for having me.
No problem. This is an important topic, especially for all our little ones in St. Lucie County, including Port St. Lucie.
Absolutely.
Can you tell us a little bit about the program and what services you offer?
Yes, absolutely. Currently, we do have 2 dentists in our local area who serve children, our pediatrics, and we do things like fillings, cleanings, extractions. We do the basics that are needed to keep that healthy mouth, that healthy smile.
Okay. And why exactly is it important for children to start young with dentistry?
Very important. The first step is that if you have a good habit, that carries through into adulthood when some of these other dental issues could lead to infection, and I'm sorry to say, but as bad as death. I mean, we have seen some cases, and that's horrible. So you start with a good steps, a good habit, and then that leads into adulthood.
And it grows with you as you grow up, too.
Absolutely.
Brushing twice a day,
yes.
flossing.
Yes.
And but is it difficult when you have children and if they're having mouth issues to concentrate in school? It causes pain, right?
It does. Absolutely. We have a school-based sealant program, and sealants are the #1 way to prevent cavities on those back teeth.
Okay.
So we kind of paint the back teeth to prevent that decay from building up.
Okay.
Well, this program has allowed us to see some of the saddest cases I've ever seen. Children who can't concentrate, they're crying, they're in pain, and basically a trip to the dentist would solve the problems, and I guess the knowledge is not out there, and that's what I'm really trying to do.
So that leads us into who is eligible for this program.
Excellent. In the state of Florida, anybody who has Medicaid, we take all the Medicaid programs. And I don't know if you realize when you are signed up for a Medicaid medical plan, example, Humana, you're assigned a dental. In this case would be DentaQuest. So we take all of those, and a quick call to our phone number can get your eligibility determined, and we can get you signed up for an appointment. Our waiting list right now, we're under a week in one location and 2 weeks in another, so we can get you in for an emergency if need be.
And if you live in St. Lucie County, you have multiple offices. Where exactly are you located?
Well, currently we have an office at 714 Avenue C in Fort Pierce.
Okay.
That one, however, is going to grow into our 531 Lake Whitney, Northwest Lake Whitney. In that medical complex there, right below the stadium.
Okay.
That's going to go from a 3 operatory operation to a 6 operatory operation, so it's going to be huge. So all of our pediatric dental, by the end of this year, will be in that location.
So that would be really convenient to parents in Port St. Lucie. That's right here. You don't have to go to Fort Pierce. It's right here.
We have it right here for you.
Yeah. And about how many kids are eligible? I know you had some statistics.
Yes.
21,000?
About 21,000 in our county are eligible and receive Medicaid. Therefore, they are eligible and receive Medicaid for dental. So we want them to come to our facility so we can help them.
Okay. All right. And about what age do you recommend children go to the dentist for the first time?
Absolutely. Well, we will see kids as little as 0, but 2 to 3 years old is a perfect time to get that first visit. It only takes about 15 minutes. The doc looks at the teeth, sees what's going on, and then we start that process of healthy teeth for the rest of their life.
And that actually helps. I know, because sometimes going to the dentist can be a little scary for kids, but if you get them started early, they get used to it, and then it's not a fight when they're older. I know my kids, I got them started really young, and now they love going to the dentist.
I did too as a kid. I was, take me to the dentist.
So I'm sure they get a little treat at the end.
They get a treat, a sticker, and our staff, I must say, are state of the art. They know how to work with children. We hire them specifically so they understand how to work with children, and it's just a very happy atmosphere.
Okay. All right, Heather. So if people want to find out more about this, where can they go? Do you have a website?
Absolutely. Our DOH State of Florida DOH website, but really the best way, 777-772 462-3800. That's our main call center number.
And they can make an appointment right there?
Yep,
All right.
absolutely.
Okay, and again, once again, you're expanding in St. Lucie West,
Yes.
so it's convenient for Port St. Lucie residents, and we encourage everyone to go if they have this need, right?
Please, and any questions, don't hesitate. That number can help you.
All right. Thank you, Heather. I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank
This
you
is
for having
important information. I'm glad we're able to help you get it out.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And we'll be right back after these messages.